Picture this. You started a business. You have really cool products. Your sales are up. Everything is great, and bam. You find out that there's someone else operating under the same business name, knocking off your products. You stole my business name. It's my business name. I registered it and I trademarked all of my stuff. So you can go somewhere else. Tragic, right? All because you didn't take the time out to register your business name. First things first, let's get this straight. If you're registering your business, what you're really registering is the business name. And registering your business name, first of all, protects you from having your business name stolen by anyone else. Registering your business name has quite a number of benefits. One, with a registered business, you are able to open a business bank account. This is something that's helpful to have if you want to separate your business expenses and activities from your personal expenses and activities. Two, with a registered business, you get access to small business loans. If you go to any bank or any creditor and you want to apply for a business credit card or a small business loan, they will be asking you for business registration. Banks and creditors will trust you a lot more when they see that you have taken your business seriously and you have legitimate paperwork. Three, with a registered business, you can have a much better reputation with your customers. This is something that has helped even myself. I have worked with companies, I have worked with stores, and because my business is registered, they can feel much more confident doing business with me. Four, as a registered business, you'll be operating legally and you'll never have to come under the scrutiny of the government. Because if they find out that you're operating your business illegitimately without it being registered, they are liable to take action against your business. Five, registering your small business allows you to hire employees and pay taxes on their behalf. So just like how you will have someone working for a company, and when they get paid from their salary, their employer takes a certain amount out of it and pays the taxes on their behalf. This is something that you'd be able to do as a small business owner if you decide that you're going to take on employees, because there's some people who would feel a lot more comfortable to know that through the process of working for you, they are still paying taxes. And finally, when you have a registered business, you are able to qualify more for commercial spaces. So if you ever want to rent a space where you can operate your business, for example, in a plaza, they might want to see that you're a registered business because they want to know that this is a business you take seriously, and therefore you're going to be able to pay the rent and be able to maintain the space. The bottom line is that registering your business makes it more legit. From a mindset perspective, when you register your business, you're telling your mind that this is a big deal. You're telling your mind that this is something that you are really serious about. This is something that you really want to go into. And when you give your all to something, the universe is always going to give you back more opportunities to really make it your all. When I registered my business, I was thinking to myself that I'm registering this because I want to take it to a level that may not be possible if I don't register it. I want to make it legit. I want to put it on paper. I want to put it out there so that I can be among the big players, pretty much. If you're going to be registering your business, it should be done within at least 14 days. So if you start your business today, you need to at least register it within 2 weeks. However, if you've been operating your business for a long time and you still want to register, then no worries, that's okay. What I advise is that when you sign up, you want to put the current date, as in the date that you are making the application, on your application. So that's going to be the date from which your business really becomes legitimate and steps over that line of being just a little hobby or a side thing to being an actual business and your way of earning money. You can register your business in 3 ways: as a sole trader, as a partnership, or as a corporation. As a sole trader, you're operating by yourself. With a partnership, you're operating with as little as 2 people up to as many as 20 people. And with a corporation, we're talking about a company. Something like Digicel, for example. Something like Sagicor, one of those big places that has multiple branches and multiple departments. There are 4 steps to registering your business. Fill out the relevant application, go to the ORC office, That's in New Kingston. It's this place right here. Pay for your registration and they will call you back when your registration is ready. Make sure you come up with a nice, good, proper, respectful name and think about how that name will represent your business. Because once you've registered it, if you want to change that name, you will have to pay a fee for that. This business name has to be unique, meaning that it doesn't already exist or it isn't close to something that already exists, and it also has to be very appropriate. You also need to provide information on the nature of your business. For example, is your business selling bags, shoes, clothes? Is it selling books? Is it a mobile car wash? Is it a catering service? You need to provide the address of your business. That is where your business will operate from. A contact number for your business. And if your business involves anything like being a bank or university, doctor's office, doing dental services, you will have to have proof of certification. You will need to get all this information verified as being accurate and true, and I'm assuming that can be done by JP. After you've registered your business and you've gotten your certificate and everything, great. In 3 years, your registration will need to be renewed, and that should be done within at least 14 days, which is 2 weeks of your expiration date. There is a late fee of $1,000. I believe that is for every year that you're late. I've linked the ORC website down below that you can go to and find the relevant forms to apply for whichever form of business registration that you want. Registering your business is not where it stops. If you are someone who provides a product that you have designed that's unique to you, it's really important that you register your trademark as well. There are people out there knocking off unique designs all the time. You could be here as a humble creative working on a really cool design, and just like that, Fashion Nova decides that they're gonna mass produce it, and because they have all the money and all the resources that they need, they'll be able to take your designs further than even you can. So it's really important to trademark your designs. And if you want to find out more about that, then make sure that you are tuned in, tapped in, and turned on to my channel. Turn your notifications on so when I upload, you will know. And if you're not subscribed already, then hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? If this video has been helpful for you, hit the like button and share it with a friend who is also a business owner or aspiring to become one. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these videos for more of So Quaint.